Hi, I am Crystal Jean Cero, 19 years old, first year student from College of Agriculture and Agri-Industries, taking Bachelor of Science in Agriculture. What specific challenge, issue, or change have you encountered as a new student? For me, it's academic adjustment. Adjusting university involves navigating various challenges, particularly in academic adjustment. This includes adapting to increased academic demands, larger class size, meeting new people, and different teaching styles of a teacher compared to high school. I often need to alter my study habits and time management strategies to succeed. Factors such as intrinsic motivation, academic self-efficacy. Additionally, social support from family and peers plays a crucial role in helping me to overcome initial difficulties. What specific CSU1 roles and responsibilities that was affected? For me, there's no specific roles and responsibilities that affected me because as a new CSU1, all the schedules are significant to apply to every student to avoid harm and trouble. It is important to commit such responsibilities to have peace and freedom in our school. What 21st century skills will help you manage, overcome such challenge, issue, or change? Number one is adaptability because adaptability allows me to adjust my strategies in response to new situations, enhancing problem-solving skills and resilience when faced with setbacks. It fosters a growth mindset, enabling me to view challenges as opportunities for learning and personal development. Second is emotional intelligence. Emotional intelligence helping me to manage stress, communicate, communicate effectively, and build supportive relationships. Together, these skills empower myself to navigate the complexities of university life, maintain motivation, and ultimately thrive in their academic pursuits. Number 5. What will possibly happen once you manage such challenge, issue, or change? Successfully managing academic challenges can lead to significant positive outcomes. First, personal growth. Overcoming obstacles fosters resilience and adaptability, enhancing your ability to tackle future challenges. Second is improved academic performance. With better study habits and time management, students often see improved grades and a deeper understanding of a course material. Third, enhance emotional intelligence. Navigating difficulties boosts emotional regulation and social skills, aiding in stress management and fostering supportive relationships. Lastly is stronger support networks. Engaging with peers and mentors creates valuable connections that can provide ongoing support throughout your academic journey. That's it. Thank you.